What's going on, guys? Today I am making Rasta pasta. So this is my ingredients. We got the rigatoni. You could use any kind of pasta that you like. Got some fresh Parmesan Reggiano. Got some chicken breast, 2 chicken breasts cubed up and seasoned with that jerk seasoning right there. That's just for like the base. We got the chicken stock and we got our veggies. We got the onions, we got the carrots, sweet pepper, mushrooms, garlic, and scallions. All right, guys, so let's go. So my pot has the olive oil in it. It's hot. Now what you want to do is medium to high heat. I got my chicken that I'm going to put in. In the same time, I'm going to put my rigatoni in the boiling water so that everything cooks at one time. So we're going to saute our chicken, spread it out in the pot so it cooks evenly. Be careful for those little splashes. My chicken is sauteing. What I want to do is cook this about fully, but not too much that it's dried out. So again, we got salt, pepper, the jerk seasoning in the pot sauteing. We got our pasta in the water. We want to make sure that we blend everything in the right moment. So, all right. So I didn't wash the pot. Chicken just came out. I'm gonna toss my onions in there. Let that saute a little until translucent. I'm gonna put my peppers in there. I'm gonna do my carrots, my mushroom, and I'm gonna let everything saute. I'm not gonna put the garlic in yet because garlic burns. All right, everything is sauteing. Now I want to throw my chicken back in there. All those nice chicken juices. And at this stage, what I want to do is put my chicken stock. I'm gonna put like about a half a cup of chicken stock in there. Turn it up to a boil. Yeah, this is about a half a cup. Bring it up to high heat, let that cook. All right, chicken stock is almost reduced. You want to put some butter in there. You can get it nice and velvety. And we're going to add our cream. I got like a quarter quart here. Also I'm going to use another quart here. Got our heavy cream. This is going to reduce, so it doesn't matter how much you put. I mean, it does matter how much you put, but don't worry, it is not a lot. This would go down and it would simmer down and dry up. So you definitely need this enough cream. All right, I got my pasta going in there. Now what you want to do is toss it all up in there. Make sure the cream and everything gets married together. Lovely. Now, you want to add your cheese. I'm using a blend of all different types of cheeses, all the different Italian cheeses. So, yeah, I'm using that. Want to put that in there. So they got nice and creamy and cheesy. Mix that all up in there. Now at this point I took off the stove and I'm letting that cheese melt in there. Don't forget I got my Parmesan cheese that I freshly grated. I'm gonna put some of that in there. And at this point, you want to add freshly black pepper. Right, mix that all up in there. See that cheese? All right, now I'm gonna add my scallions. Got my scallions in there, and I'm gonna add parsley. Now, I don't have fresh parsley, but parsley, this has a lot of flavor in it, so don't worry if it's not fresh, this could still work. All right, give that all a big mix there. And I'm gonna add some more pasta water just to loosen it up a little. And there you go. Rasta pasta. Finished and done.